I wanted to show you one of the cute cards that we made at this month's card class using the Citrus Blooms stamp set along with the matching dies and the beautiful paper pack that goes with it. Now the card I'm showing you here actually is different paper than the one we did in class because I wanted to show a different way. When you come to class, you get all sorts of products that you bring home, and so you can change up the card layouts like I did here and just have the card have a completely different look. So I will not have directions for the class on my website for this, but if you missed the class and you would like the tutorial, I will have that as an instant download in my Made to Create shop on my website. That's at madetocreatewithlisa.com, and you can go to the store. So I am using different products here, like I said, than are in the tutorial, but I'm going to show you the one that we made in class here at the end, and you can see how different it is if you just switch up the papers, and it's basically the same card. It's really cool. Everyone got a pack of these gems too, which I love. They have a little bit of a sparkle in them, and I love the three colors, of course. They go with all the paper. So here's the one here, and then here's the one we made in class. Have a great day. Thanks so much for being here.